You know what I'm saying? I thank you guys. This is a new year. And I want y'all to have fun. This is the real. I want you to express how you feel. There's many deaths, many kills, many mental lack of wills. Wills to do something different. Wills to understand the truth when somebody's listening. I want these people to know that your dream is your mission. I want you to know that God hears your prayers and He's listening. I know we've seen that we're going through this life. I know it's not right when you have a cheating heart, knowing that you have a cheating wife. But we have to grow these people. I want you to know that going through this life, we're just like illegals, trying to make a difference with our amigos. I want you to understand this life. Sometimes we gotta do illegal because we know we gotta feed ourselves, feed our kids. We gotta know we gotta pay our bills, pay our bills. We hated that wheel, but we gotta be for real when it be ourselves. I understand we gotta go through this life and constantly build our health, but we know that we got the belt because we are the soldiers. We are the ones that get older. We are the one who know much older. We got the world on our shoulders and dealing with our families, dealing with the stuff that's scandalous, and at the same time we're trying to manage. These niggas don't understand this because we gotta step on up. They don't care if you feel a girl with a big on butt. They don't understand. These niggas need to shut up because we need to grow up and understand what God trying to say. We on this new page, we trying to make it, and every day we trying to get paid. I want these niggas know for sure I am trying to hit you with that dub poet blood. I gotta glow. What? Nigga, cuz I gotta flow to my Crimson bloods. I want the nigga understand we got in this business to rock the club. Or what it is it? What is it? We all stuck up on the drugs. Christina, the cocaine got us all in the plug. But I know plug what? But a whole bunch of talk, no action. Cause my black people falling off. I wanna help your soul. This 2019, we gotta grow to 2020, my nigga, and I really don't fucking know. I want these people to show that they really got it. I am gonna come with that motherfucking party. With the truth telling of the business. It's this dub boy shaking and my niggas is my witness. Witness that we all with the business. Witness that we can get it. Shoot the pistol in there and hit him. And that we knowing that we winning and that he knowing that we flowing. And this is 2019 and that all my niggas knowing it. I love you, love. I love you. I love the club. I love my mama. And sometimes I feel like I'm in love with the drugs. I want these people knowing I'm in love with the slugs. I know I came from a life and that people don't give me no love. But I'm trying to change. And God see I'm trying to be above this life. And that these niggas not showing no love. So I love myself. I do what I do for my health. And Elijah and these they know it. I got it well. But I gotta tell you this. I'm trying to spit this shit. And thank God that he witnessed me come out this death penalty from this life of road. He helped me to grow on the streets. I'm trying to know. Thank God for West. Thank God for Inside. Thank God for Elijah. Thank God for those who let me grow. Thank God for my mama. Thank God for my fans. Thank God for my family. Thank God for all of you guys. This is 2019. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna push myself to rise. It's like doing push-ups and open up